Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to cancel subscriptions in your Apple ID settings. So, if you have any subscriptions you no longer need or want, we'll guide you through the process step by step. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the screen. Next, tap on Subscriptions. It's usually the second option in the list. Here, you'll see a list of all your active subscriptions. Select the subscription you want to cancel. Tap on Cancel Subscription and then confirm your cancellation. Keep in mind that you'll still have access to the subscription until the current billing period ends. It's important to make sure you cancel before the next billing cycle to avoid being charged. If you're using a family sharing plan, remember that only the family organizer can make changes to subscriptions. You may need to ask them to cancel the subscription for you. And that's it. You've successfully canceled a subscription through your Apple ID settings. If you ever change your mind, you can always resubscribe at any time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.